everyone, I'm Aliyah Angelica C. Reyes, your Clash Dreamer Kid artist from the team Yellow Rhythm. I joined Clash of Voices Season 1 because I want to share and show everyone the talent I have, express my feelings using my voice, and inspire someone to show their talent and be confident. I would also like to thank Coach Lou, Coach Shane, Coach Arlene, Coach JM, and my mom for guiding, supporting, and helping me and my co-class dreamers throughout our journey. And I chose the song Basta't Maghintay Ka Lamang because the song gives us the message that don't lose hope because someday you will reach your dreams and show everyone what you've become. And it also tells us that the challenge in life is to be patient for the right time to come. Once again, I'm Aliyah Angelica C. Reyes, brave singing fighter ng pag-asa.
Kabigo ay hindi hadlang upang tumakas ka. Huwag kang iiwas pag nabibigo. Dapat nga lumaban ka. Ang kailangan mo'y tibay ng loob kung mayroong pagsubok man. Ang liwanag ay di magtatagal at muling mamamasdan. Ikot ng mundo Thank you po.
That is Kids Clash Dreamer number 5.